Good morning, student. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Yogesh Kumar Khori. I am from Petra. My education is MTech in Power System, and today I will teach you about mathematics. Today's topic is integration of all trigonometric functions. First, integration of sin x, integration of cos x, dx. Before integrating the sin x and cos x, I would like to introduce the differentiation of sin x and cos x. In previous chapter, we had discussed about the differentiation, and we know very well about the differentiation of sin x and cos x. Differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x, and differentiation of cos x is equal to minus 7x. Okay. We also know that the integration is the opposite process of differentiation. That means when we differentiate sin x, we find cos x. But when we integrate cos x, we repeatedly find the sin x. That means the integration of cos x will be sin x, and integration of sin x will be minus cos x. Next one is integration of tan x. Integration of tan x is equal to minus log of cos x, and also we can find log of sec x. How? I will explain that. When we integrating tan x with respect to x, we can rewrite the tan x in the form of sin and cos x. Sin x upon cos x. This formula we know from the trigonometry in class 11 chapter. Okay. Now putting cos x equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we find dt upon dx is equal to minus sin x. That means minus dt is equal to minus sin x dx. Sorry, minus dt is equal to sin x dx. Now we can see the nominator of the expression is sin x dx. That can be converted in the form of minus dt, and we also put cos x is equal to t. Then the whole expression will convert it in the form of t. From the integration formula, we know that the integration of dx upon x is equal to log x. Similarly, integration of dt upon t is equal to log t with minus sign. Now, putting the value of t, we will find minus log of cos x, because the value of t is cos x. When we eliminating the minus sign, we can rewrite this expression in the form of sec. That means we find log of sec x. Clearly, all of you seen that the expression for tan x is equal to minus log of cos x and log of sec x. Here we also find as it is expression for integration of log tan x. Okay, thank you. Next one is Next one is cot x. Integration of cot x is equal to log of sin x. How can we find that? I will explain. Okay. Integration of cot x is literally similar as the integration of tan x. When we rewrite the cot x in the form of sin and cos, we will find cos x of sin x dx. Now put sin x is equal to t. Sin x is equal to t and differentiate it in the respect of x, we find cos x. Now we eliminate the dt from this expression. dt is equal to cos x dx. You can see that it is clear to see that the nominator of this expression will be converted in the form of dt and the denominator is changed in the form of t because we put the value of sin x is equal to t. From the integration formula, we know that the integration of dx upon x is equal to log x. Similarly, the integration of dt upon dx is equal to log t. Now, putting the value of t, we will find log of sin x because the value of t will be sin x. It is clear that how can we find the expression for the integration of cot x. Next one is integration of sec x dx. The expression of sec x dx is in the form of log with sec x plus tan x. The integration of sec x dx is equal to log of sec x plus tan x. How can we find it? Now I will explain that. Integration of sec x dx. In this method, in this integration, we have to remember that when we integrate the sec x, we have to multiply with sec x from sec x plus tan x. When we multiply sec x with sec x plus tan x, we have to also dividing that value okay. Next, in next term, multiplying sec x with the given expression, we find sec square x plus sec x tan x. Sec x plus tan x. We rewrite the denominator as it is. Now put sec x plus tan x as t. That is the method of integration. Now differentiate it with the respect of x. We find the differentiation of sec x is equal to sec x plus sec x tan x, and the differentiation of tan x will be sec square x. Now we find dt from this expression sec x tan x plus sec square x dx. Okay. It is clear that the nomenclature of the given expression will be changed in the form of dt and denominator is change in the form of t. Clear? Okay. Then we have to put that integration of dt upon t. We know very well that integration of dt will be log t. Now putting the value of t, we will find log of sec x plus tan x. It is clear that the integration of sec x dx will be how can become log of sec x plus tan x. Okay. At last, integration of cosec x dx is equal to cosec x dx is equal to log of cosec x minus cot x. How the integration of cosec x is become log of cosec x minus cot x, I will explain it. When we integrating cosec x, we have to remember that cosec x multiplying by with cosec x minus cot x and also dividing with cosec x minus cot x dx. Multiplying, when we multiply cosec x with the cosec x minus cot x, we will find cosec square x minus cosec x cot x upon cosec x minus cot x dx. It is also as similar as the integration of sec x. Now we are putting the denominator of this expression as t. Cosec x minus cot x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we find the differentiation of cosec x is equal to cosec x minus cosec x cot x, and the differentiation of cot x will be minus cosec square x. Now we find dt is equal to plus cosec square x and minus cosec x cot x into dx. Now you can see that the denominator of the given expression is as similar as dt, and the denominator of this expression is we put the value the t. Then we can write it in the form of t. We find dt upon t. We also know that the integration of dt upon t will be log t, as we consider in the previous question. Now putting the value of t, we will find log of cosec x minus cot x. It is the as it is formula for the cosec x. Now it is clear how can we integrate the cosec x. Okay. In this class, I explain the all trigonometry function. How can this integrated? Thank you. At next class, we are discuss about the square form of the trigonometry functions. Okay. Thank you so much.